Hello everybody. Today I'll be teaching you omission of the definite article. Means where the definite article the is not used. So let's get started today's class. Have a look at the board. The definite article the is not used before proper, material and abstract nouns. Where the definite article the is not used before proper nouns. And what are proper nouns? You know very well, already we have learnt in our previous video lectures. Have a look at the board. For example, Soumya is an expert in judo. So in this sentence, what is Soumya? Proper noun, or we can say Soumya is the example of proper nouns. So before proper nouns we can't use the article. The Soumya we can't say. Clear? Let me give you one more example. Narendra Modi is the 14th Prime Minister of India. We can't say the Narendra Modi. Hope it is clear to you. Let us proceed. The is not used before material nouns. Where the is not used before material nouns. For example, gold is a precious metal. What is gold? Material noun. Gold is an example of material noun. So before material noun we can't use article the gold, the silver, the iron, etc. Next, the is not used before abstract nouns. And what are abstract nouns? We already know. For example, wisdom, hungry, happiness. Here, honesty. Honesty is the best policy. We can't say the honesty. Clear? Next, last example. The is not used before nouns representing general categories. Representing general categories, or we can say representing general sense. For example, dogs are the faithful animals. We can't say here, we can't write the dogs. Though we can say the dog is the faithful animal. We can write the dog is the faithful animal. But while writing using plurals, dogs, that time we can't use article the. The dogs we can't write, we can't say. Let us proceed. Next, the is not used before the names of days. Or we can say before days of the week. For example, the Sunday, the Monday, the Tuesday, we can't say, we can't use. For example, she was married on Tuesday. On Tuesday, not the Tuesday. On is preposition. We'll discuss later. So, she was married on Tuesday is correct. She was married the Tuesday, the Wednesday wrong. Let us proceed. The is not used before dates. For example, here is a date. So before date we can't use definite article the. The meeting is scheduled for 7 June 2017. The meeting is scheduled, the 7 June is wrong. The 7 June 2017 is wrong. What is for? For as well preposition, and on as well. Both are prepositions. Let us proceed. The definite article is not used before the names of seasons, before the names of languages, before the names of subjects, and before the names of games. Before the names of seasons. For example, we can't use the summer, the winter. Here is example. Summer is my least favorite season. We can't use the before season summer. The summer is wrong. The winter is wrong. So simply we have to use without using article the. We have to say, we have to use, we have to write summer, winter instead of writing using the summer, the winter. Next, the is not used before languages and subjects. What are languages? For example, English is a language. Marathi, Hindi, Sanskrit, Telugu, Urdu, French, Arabic. These are all few examples of languages. So before languages we can't use article the. Not only languages but also before subjects we can't use definite article the. The mathematics we can't use, the physics, the chemistry, the social science, etc. So before languages and before subjects we can't use article the. And before the names of games we can't use definite article the. For example, the cricket, the football, the hockey, the kabaddi, we can't use, we can't say. Here is example. English is his favorite subject. Good. The English is wrong. Football requires a lot of stamina. The football is wrong. Next, the is not used before the names of countries, states, regions and cities. Where the is not used before the names of countries. For example, India, Sri Lanka, China, Japan, England. Before these countries we can't use definite article the. For example, India is a multilingual country. The India is wrong. The Sri Lanka, the Pakistan, the China is wrong. However, there are few countries are there. Before them we can use definite article the. As I told you in my previous video lecture, the West Indies, the Netherlands, we can use. Before them we can use definite article the. Why? Because of before group of countries, group of islands, we can use definite article the. And the is not used before names of states, regions. For example, Telangana is a name of state. Telangana is located in south of India. So the Telangana we can't use. The Maharashtra, the Delhi is wrong. The Mumbai, etc. And before cities, the Pusat, the Pune, the Yavatmal we can't use. So that's all for today. Hope it is clear to you.